Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí orí ìkànnì ẹ wo nǹkan kan fídíò tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi a sì máa play fún fídíò ìmẹ́rin yìí jáde ló sọ oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rọ̀ ó sọ̀rọ̀ àṣírí ẹ wò ẹ ti mọ̀ pé táwọn ò bá rí àwa kì í sọ ìta bá wá síbi láti wá sọ á jẹ́ kí a ti ṣe ìwádìí tó dáa ká tó wá sọ ẹ wò ó tó bá jẹ́ kí ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ni ẹ darapọ̀ mọ́ lórí ìkànnì ẹ like comment kẹ́ subscribe kẹ́ share àwọn fídíò ìlú àtẹ̀bálẹ̀ máa jẹ ìgbádùn àwọn content gbà ẹ wò ẹ má yẹ ká fi ọ̀wá pọ̀lọ̀pọ̀lọ̀ pé ká má fa ọkọ̀ ṣòfò ẹ ká fi ojú abẹ́ ń pò ó.
No, it's not K1 story, it's MC Oluomo. It's not K1 story, it's MC Oluomo story we want to gist about. So it's not K1 story this time around. The title is MC Oluomo. So did I put K1? Hey, it's error. It's MC Oluomo. Error. So I'll start now. My daddy told my mommy to resign because the size of my mommy's hands, you know this hands that they do now, that was how my mommy's hands was. She's very slim, but she had big butt. The man no fit stand all those judges, all those people make they look my mama yansh. And I said, no, my mommy can't be working this and that she should do self-employed. That's how my mother went into mother care. So, no matter how a man loves you, when he does the spendings for you for a month or two, you will lose that your value. My mother is even the one that told me that a woman that is sensible will never do housewife. You have to choose it. It's either you do housewife and they rubbish you in the end. No matter how the man loves you, when you start to bear children, you see finish go enter. If you do full-time housewife, bring this one, money, bring money. Well, many times your hair will be like this. Many times you won't be able to buy wig anything. You won't be able to meet up with your peers. You won't be able to take back. You won't even be able to give to your family. Every small thing, you're gonna be taking permission from the husband for this, for that, for this, for that. Oh, you won't like yourself. And the man go. At first he may be enjoying it. He's all dependent. It's even that for that reason, God, he will cheat on you. He will cheat on you. Your title is MC and Aisha Lawal. Yes, let's do that. Now let's listen to somebody that came to talk about. You know that Aisha, me, I always say these stories are legit. It's alleged. Ask me if it's true or not. You know Aisha's page. I think yesterday was her birthday. Go to her page and ask her if it's true or not. Don't come and ask me. When you there is somebody that wants to narrate it and just one point I want to hold for there, because this MC man, in fact, the thing that I want to say, let me not say it yet. I thought the guy had learnt, he has simmered down, he has learnt his lesson, you understand, but anyway, maybe men are meant to be like that. Abi? Maybe men are meant to be like that because the way they see the money, they don't work for the money. And they will just get all the money, they are just spending it anyhow. But I'm not concerned about MC. I won't lie to you people. Because generally we know it has been declared generally that MC is Nollywood actresses, their souvenir. If MC never knock you for that Nollywood, that means that you are the only, you must come out and swear with Ogun. He has knocked almost all of them. I'm not talking about old people like Madam Jade, they know those ones are just begging for money from me. I'm talking about the young, the ones in their 40s, in their maybe 50s, even the ones that are older than, because MC and myself, I think we are age mates. I think he too is 50. I think so. I think I'm older than him because I'm 51. I'm not too sure now. But he is generally, it's been ongoing. So the only concern I say concern, the concern I have is that are you people using condom? Because I don't know. Are you people using condom? I hope so. Yeye, where did you get all the gold? Let me continue. This northerner is annoying me. I don't want to be distracted again. Let me calm myself. Calm down, Kudi, calm down. Calm down, Kudi, calm down. Don't let this person annoy you more than this. Let me play what I want to play. Don't mind this person here. Okay. Let me see. I don't know if you people have heard this. This Aisha, I lie. I used to look at her like Funke Akindele. I know she's new in the, I didn't think that she would involve herself with all these shenanigans. I was just surprised. So let me just play it for you, so that you can hear it yourself. Allegedly, call me up. I'm a Bolashi.
The same branch that you pass 6 million, something million. The same branch, yes, the same one something million. Got us 200,000. Laarin what about the channel operation? Who can know where it's more? Who can know where it's not in the days? There's a pen, no way, only no show. Only because they can recently, who can in your outside the mind. No, look at that.
All this one is talking about Sego himself and all the atrocities that MC has committed, which I think we've gone through it and we've advised, we've listened to a lot of things, because you all know the politics that played out during that is still playing out in his life regarding all this. Is the president of NUR, the TW, Abuja constituency, and all those. We are not interested in that. Our gossiping aspect is about Aisha Lawal. So I don't know the point he mentioned it. So that's why I'm having to all the other parts and Sego matter. Leave them to it. I'm not going to lie to you people. We can't help them solve it. The person that can solve it for them is Lati, because in the first place, he is the one that brought all these people on board, and it's for political reasons. He is the one that put them in this position where they have now turned themselves. In fact, they are doing fracas. If it's not Sego and MC today, it will be Koko Saria and MC. If it's not Koko, so we are actually very tired of them. So we are not going to read the part we are interested in is that Aisha Lawal part, and I will tell you the reason. Allegedly, because lately, if I'm wrong, please tell me I'm wrong. Didn't you notice that he didn't go for Iyabo Ojo's daughter's wedding? Unlike before, you would have seen during Iyabo Ojo's mother's burial, he was there. He was even showing, he was doing with his agbada, and subsequently we've seen him after it. He went for the short guys on the guy with the short Abeokuta guys, the Kunle Ogungbe, something Ogungbe sha. He went with his clique and the crew, and they went to do show off and everything. So we didn't see him at Iyabo Ojo's birthday, meaning he's not ready to reconcile with Iyabo Ojo, because I know that Iyabo Ojo celebrated his birthday last year, but I think this year she didn't celebrate it because MC Oluomo snubbed her. So we would have thought, Shade, what did you say? What did you say, Shade? What did you say? Answer me. What was it that you asked me? I can't see your question. You said, could you attend to my chatter, please? What does that mean? Attend to my chatter, please. What does that English mean? I don't understand what you mean by attend to my chatter. I don't understand that English. What does my chatter mean? All right, Basi, good night, baby. Good night, my sweetheart. Okay, now because of Polo. Now because of Polo, what happened? It wasn't because of Polo, it was political reason. That's what happened between them. It's not about Polo. Gbogbo, yeah. So sorry, ma, it's an error. Okay, when you correct it, let me know. I don't know what you are saying, Shade. Yeah, but yeah, you say attend to my chat. I don't understand the chat. Can you explain it?
Mi ò mọ bí tó kó àwọn tó kù sí mi màá tó fún bọ̀ mo ṣe mọ méjì àwọn tó gba méjèèjì yẹn lọ́dún yẹn lọ́rùn national secretary l'Abuja àdóyàrú àbádìyàrú pẹ̀lú kan mo kàn ń kó ẹ̀sùn kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wà ní kébùgbé lọ. bàbá gbé mọ́tò l'Abuja ní àdóyàrú bá ní òfin mọ́tò tó gbé wa máa ń kẹ́ tó gbé lọ́ máa gbé bọ̀ wọn kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìgbà mọ́tò lọ́nà ni mo ní láti lọ ra Sienna mi.
You are right, you are right. Nice, it wasn't a prissy wedding. At least it made it the wedding talk free. In fact, you are right. And Eli Bokun, I concur. To the sincere, I agree with you. It maintained the class, and it's true. To the sincere, it's true. I won't antagonize that comment at all. You are right.
Aisha Lawal.
Yeah, please, I want you to review the movie Roses and Evie on Prime. I was telling my friend Yeye needs to analyze. I want to travel to, I want you to assist me to move down there. How is that possible, Shade Abdullahi? Do you know that even in my family, some people want to come to America there? So, you come lori online, then I will assist you. Then what about my own family to was America? So you people think that those of us that talk online, we don't have family. That don't know if it was America. Anyway, now Fukeke, my darling, I don't know the movie. I think I've heard about it. Who wrote it and everything? You know, it's not just a movie. I'm not a lover of movies, but when I see that I want to call, it makes sense. Do you understand? I would want to analyze it, watch it, then review it and analyze it. So if you tell me the director, the producer, and then I would look into it and see if it is something worth watching. I will watch it, I promise you, and I will analyze it. If it makes sense from what I'm saying. Spring, you said, you see, really, this are the person I'm telling you. Because told you I'm reading on social media. Now, you people have heard the gossip aspect allegedly by this guy that is one of MC Oluomo's boys. He was just like Koko Saria behind MC Oluomo. I think they are falling out. We don't expect him to say otherwise. Of course, Koto guy Aisha, he will say as much as he has said. Maybe he's lying, maybe he's not lying. But me, I did not see Venza because I am not really a fan of that girl called Aisha. But I always look at her because from you are here to analyze Labake Olododo movie. In fact, what happened that I did not analyze Labake Olododo movie is because by the time I came back, we already had wedding to start. I started to, we were going bumper to bumper. The wedding was, when the week I came back from Nigeria was when they were doing that wedding. That's what distracted me. That is what distracted me. I will. Just tell me about that Labake Olododo. I will analyze it. And that's Rose and Ivy. I think I have seen that. I've heard about that movie. Who is the producer? I think I've heard about it. I will try and watch it on Prime, Abby. I'll try and watch it. Who is the producer? So what do I want to say? Hey, it's none of our business. So it's none of our business. It's just that we want to gossip. MC, if it is true, we Venza for gay. Moboya oko gbe fun out of babalanu or ofe. But because of the bad reputation that MC has amongst all these people, do you understand? Gbogbo isi Koko Sari ati cast gbogbo isi àwọn within the this thing no tí wọ́n ti cast ara wọn. You understand? That's why we have to say it the way it is. I'm just so disappointed in that girl called Aisha. Alaye. Olè ní gbogbo yín, púpọ̀ nínú yín olè ní yín. Do you understand? Olè ní púpọ̀ nínú yín. Kí máa, that's why a lot of you, I don't know, except if that Venza, the people that saw the Venza and say it's true, that Venza is true. I didn't see it. If you saw it, write it that you saw it. Emi ori o, tori mi ori o. Olè ní púpọ̀ nínú yín, they lead the good example. So with all what MC have done, with all the àwọn tó bá ní òṣèré yín yẹn, you still went there again to go and collect your own. To an extent now, they have come to say it. All that your teeth that is like this now, me they like it, tele, me they were like it. Torí ẹnu ẹ mú nínú movie kan báyìí, ó bú, ó ṣẹnu sham tí mo like it, tí mo ní Aisha yìí, ó ní future gan. Don't you people know that all these people, àwọn kan ṣe, wo, ayé wọn, wọ́n gba Venza, wọ́n gba gbogbo ẹ̀, wọ́n fi kàbùkù láàsì ni. Can't you people? I'm not saying everybody must be like Funke Akindele, Toyin Aimaku. I am not saying that everybody must be like that. But you people should allow the family of that MC gan kí wọ́n ti gbádùn MC fúnra rẹ̀ torí MC yóò ti on disgrace ẹ̀. Who can disgrace our family? I'm telling you. Okay, Biodun Stevens. Okay. Roses and Ivy. I think I've watched it. Oh, this girl featured in it. The main cast. I think I watched it in London. Oh. I think I've watched this Roses and Ivy. Oh. This girl that fell in love with this girl that was sick. She eventually had cancer, and her boyfriend was her husband was sleeping with her friend. Abi, is it not something? Wasn't it something like that? Fukeke. I'm trying to remember the people that acted it. I know that there were two friends and one man that had a shop, art shop or something like that. No, it's about two sisters. Who are the cast? Can you just tell me their names? Have watched it now. They were both sleeping with the same man. Uche Motana and Munachi. I don't think I've watched it. No. Peter was crucified upstanding. Bro, come on for here, Joe. Okay, no, I think I'm mixing it up. I think I'm seeing something else about one movie that I watched that. Okay, I think I'll watch it. So Uchema is Roses and Ivy. Okay, I'll watch it. If it's Uche is a good actress. But I don't think he reigned like that. Which year did they do the movie? It's about fertility issue. Okay, I will go and watch it. Okay, I'll go and watch it. Okay, I will watch it. I'll watch it. I'll watch. How many hours? I'll watch it. I'm just having the feeling I watched something like that in London at one point. Which is it a recent movie? Please, can you answer me? Is it a recent movie? Oloshi. Which one is spirit all around you? The spirit all around you that is chasing you is in cotton by Fanny. Let her go out of here and go and receive delivery. Have you watched VDM? How about VDM? Bao? What happened to VDM? 2024? And you sure have not watched it in passing by? Okay, I will go and watch it. I'll go and watch it. But Labake Olododo, I will tell you people my own reservation about Labake Olododo. What I enjoy, what I didn't enjoy, and everything that I saw in that movie. I will tell you people. Maybe my next chat. But I will be very sincere with you people. I don't know if what I'm going to say will go down well with many of you, but that's it. I'm very good at analysis. If I tell you that your movie is going to make it, it will make it. If I tell you that your movie is not, there is a movie called VDM. Oh, okay. I don't know. I thought you were talking about Blackie. The movie VDM makes sense. I haven't watched it too. I haven't watched it. Okay, people should not bombard me. I don't love watching movie like that. I watch movie that that is trending and I can analyze. You understand? I just don't watch movie because I want to watch it. I watch it because people are talking about it. It's trending. Then I can analyze it. I can tell you people, yeah, this movie they spent into it. This one is not worth it. This one is rubbish. This one is low. It's not. Yeah, that's why I watch movie. I don't watch movie. I will watch it and remember word for. I hope Labake Olododo will be able to remember word for word, because I went to the cinema in Nigeria to watch that one, and it's in a while. April. Normally when I watch it like that, within a week I should analyze it. Yeah, please go ahead with the main topic for today. Okay, thank you. All right, Buki, let me go back. I'm sorry. So, Aisha Lawal, I'm very highly disappointed in her. Because the kind of face, the kind of look, the kind of way she came up in that social media, I mean on the screen for us, is as though she's going to come decent, come clean like Biola Adebayo. Biola too. You know that it's not that she's completely innocent. Let me tell you people one thing. It's not like people don't do bad things, so don't get it wrong. But there are some people in that industry that you don't expect them to still go and be sleeping with MC Oluomo, Dino Malaya, Melaye, all these people, K1, all these people that have shopped them round to an extent that some of them have even betted for them. Do you understand? Yeah. And in the case of Aisha, I learned she studied law. I'm sorry, don't think I'm now taking the matter to law because I studied law. So I'm trying to when you talk about people that study and go to school to that extent, you expect more from them. So for her to go and because of Venza, then that guy now sat on his alefa and was mentioned. That's what Aisha Sheyi Gogoro by. And she's not out to debunk it, meaning it is true. I'm ashamed of her. Yeah, I'm so ashamed of her. The way, that's why many of those people in that Nollywood industry, I'm always saying to you people, be careful of them. Don't bring them near your home. Don't bring them near your family, near your marriage, near your happiness, near anything. You can imagine the people MC have chopped in the industry for a girl that I look at and say, I'm not saying Funke because lately I saw them blogging her that she's the one that scattered Bello sons her home. I'm not putting my mouth yet. I have my reason. I have my reason why I am not saying a word yet. Because I sense that it's a lie. That's why I'm not putting my mouth. Do you understand? I sense that they are trying to just, because of the fact that they know that she and Femi had a relationship before. The wife of Femi, that one is just acting on stupid information. She's having some sense of insecurity. Femi is a bad boy, no doubt. Femi is a bad boy, but I don't think it is Funke. That's why I'm not putting my mouth. I'm watching. One day, Femi shall go show now. Waiting make am come up for us. It is Femi himself that has problem. Òun ló ní problem ara tiẹ̀ tó ń bá fà. So, and the woman too, I will say and I repeat, no matter how your husband hurts you, never destroy property. Never destroy property. I dislike women that do that. You are prone and most likely not going to stay in one marriage. Omamashini. Never destroy. It's either you leave or you cry and be begging and be fight. Not fight as in fight, I mean, never destroy property. Break car, accident car, go and jam car, break television. The family that are supposedly meant to be taking side with you, they will turn their back on you. So back to Aisha Lawal. Those one is story for another day. I'm highly disappointed in that girl that she can go and collect Venza. Yeyekudi Edaju, Shada Abdullahi, how Moshe Daju, have I done something wrong to you? How about Moshe Daju? Lori Oro Abi Lori Kenu. Can you explain to the world why you said Modaju? So as I was saying before, Shade rudely interrupted me. I will say it that I'm highly disappointed in her that they can count her among the people. When this guy came to talk and now said, "Oh, and it's true, her teeth is like that. If she did collect Venza, will somebody like this come and be saying, leyin bi kini yen lo ko se shamuga sita bai o wa fi moto